Guys, I'm pleased to announce that the wait is over, and at last we can make steel cut oats quickly and easily using the Instant Pot. This is Instant Pot steel cut oats. So chances are you're a little new to the whole Instant Pot thing. You were probably given it as a gift, as almost everyone was, and you like it, but it's a little intimidating. Not really sure what to do with it. Well, let's start with the basics. Steel cut oats. Listen, it doesn't get any easier than this. Let's go. Now this recipe is going to yield approximately 3 to 4 servings, but you can obviously adjust as you find fit. We're using 1 cup of steel cut oats. In addition, we're going to use 3 cups of any non-dairy milk. Dairy milk tends to burn in the Instant Pot, which you do not want. We're also using this combination of spices, and again, you can adjust as you find necessary. I have 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla cinnamon, which you can substitute for brown sugar, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Last but not least is 1 diced apple. I'm using Honeycrisp because again, that's my favorite. Now we're simply going to combine the ingredients, so let's turn the music up and enjoy this B-roll. Once you have properly stirred all the ingredients together, you're going to take the lid of the Instant Pot and lock it in place like so. Now, the release valve at the top here must be set to sealing, not venting, because you want to build up pressure. Now set your pressure cooker to high for 3 minutes and let it rip. Once your 3 minutes is up, you're going to let the pressure of the Instant Pot release naturally, and you're going to know that it's done when that pin drops. Once your pin has dropped, you can take a wooden spoon to safely make sure that all of the pressure is released by pushing the release valve to venting. Then simply take off the cover and give your Instant Pot steel cut oats a final stir. Instant Pot pro tip bonus. There's a seal underneath the Instant Pot. Go on Amazon, there's a link in the description below, and buy a couple more because you want to change these out depending on what you're making. You do not want your apple cinnamon oatmeal to taste like last night's chicken thighs. Do you know what I'm saying? I think you do. There's different colors, which is very helpful because if there's multiple people in the house, you can say, hey, red is for meat, clear is for oatmeal, blue is for yogurt. It's that easy. There's a plane. You hear it? I gotta go.